like best about the Baking Industry Awards is the fact that it brings an industry together. We work in a really unique industry where there's a support and a closeness. I think the awards is a night that brings everyone together in a place, in an environment where they can kind of share on each other's success.
It's the highlight of the year in the baking industry calendar. And I think the main thing is the networking opportunity, the chances to meet so many people, key people in the industry who have known for a long time.
The Baking Industry Awards have been brilliant tonight. Ashley Roberts was fantastic, the atmosphere was wonderful, the new venue was great.
It's brilliant, totally ace achievement. First time we've entered the awards and we've won this.
It's just fantastic to have this recognition.
It's been such an incredible experience and I still don't think it's sunk in. It opens so many doors that I'd recommend everybody to enter.
You can't win it unless you enter it, so then my advice is just to always enter because you never know what can happen.
It's absolutely beyond my wildest dreams. I've put 56 years into the industry or more. I've loved every minute of it, both milling and baking, and it's been worth all the hours